Hello Year 5, it's Mrs Bastable. I hope you're all looking after yourselves. I'm really looking forward to today's lessons, so let's get started. So let's take a look at today's target. Today you're going to be able to read and interpret information in tables. To know if you've met this, you'll be able to understand how tables can be used to show a range of information, to know how to read across and down tables accurately, and to be able to answer questions correctly by interpreting the data shown in tables. So today we're going to warm up with our daily 10 looking at division. I'll give you 7 seconds again. Make sure you write 1 to 10 down on your paper ready. And check your answers as quickly and carefully as you can before we mark them. Good luck! Okay, let's see how you did. Remember to mark your work carefully using a coloured pen or pencil. 45 divided by 9. 5. 63 divided by 9. 7. 55 divided by 11. 5. 24 divided by 2. 12. 70 divided by 7. 10. Question 6. 54 divided by 9. 6. Question 7. 14 divided by 7. 2. 70 divided by 10. 7. 84 divided by 7. 12. And finally, question 10. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Well done. Don't forget to give yourself a total out of 10. Now have a go at answering these questions. Remember to do any working out you need to and to check your answers carefully. Question 1. Double 23. Question 2. Double 27. Question 3. Jenny has 24 stickers. Imran has half as many stickers as Jenny. How many stickers do the two friends have all together? Question 4. 6 add 8 add 4 add 2 equals. Question 5. What is half of 20? Question 6. What is a quarter of 20? Question 7. What number is halfway between 7 and 9? And question 8. What number is halfway between 70 and 90? Let's take a look now at our answers. So question 1 asked you to double 23. Double means the number twice. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 20 is 40. 46. Double 27 would give us 54, as double 7 is 14. Jenny has 24 stickers. Imran has half as many stickers as Jenny. How many stickers do the two friends have all together? So we know Jenny has 24 plus half as many. So what is half of 24? Excellent, it's 12. So 24 add 12 means that all together they have 36 stickers. And 6 add 8, add 4 add 2. Well, 8 and 2 are a number bond, and 6 and 4 are a number bond. So it's easy. The answer is 20. I'm sure you got these 4 right. Well done. And just a little bit more practice to make sure you've got it. Half of 20 is easy, it's 10. But what does a quarter mean? A quarter means 4 equal parts, or half of a half. So a quarter of 20 is 5. Halfway between 7 and 9, we have 8. And halfway between 70 and 90, we have 80. I nearly gave you the answer early then, but I'm sure you got it right anyway. Well done. Take a look at this table. It shows the planets, the time for revolution, the diameter in kilometres, and the time for rotation. The statement says that Mars takes the longest time to revolve around the Sun. Using this chart, do you believe this is true or false? It was false. Did you get this right? If you look carefully at the table, you will see that Mars takes 687 days, but Neptune takes 165 years, which is 60,266 days. Wow! Take a look now at the information shown in this table of weekly swimming pool attendance. Along the top we have the days of the week from Monday through to Sunday, and underneath we have the amount of swimmers. Question 1. 103 people swim at the weekend. Using this information, can you work out how many people swim on Saturday? Question 2. On Thursday, there are double the number of swimmers than on Tuesday. How many people swim on Thursday? Work out your answers carefully. Okay, so this table shows us the amount of people swimming on different days. We were asked how many people swam on Saturday. The weekend is made up of Saturday and Sunday, and we know 103 people swam all together at the weekend. So 103 were all together. 41 of those are on Sunday. So if we subtract that 41, we'll have the answer for how many swam on Saturday. 103 take away 41 leaves you with 62. Did you get that right? Well done. On Thursday, we're told there are double the number of swimmers than there were on Tuesday. So we need to look at Tuesday, and it's 16. So 16 doubled gives us the missing number for the swimmers on Thursday. Well done, 32. How did you do with these? Did you get the same answers as I did? Now take a look at this table showing the heights of pupils in Year 5. See if you can work out the answers to the following questions. Question 1. Ahmed is how much taller than the shortest pupil? Question 2. How many pupils are under 1¼ meters tall? Question 3. Jack is taller than Hilary and shorter than Tom. How tall could Jack be? Work out your answers carefully. Now let's take a look at the pupils' heights in Year 5. Ahmed is how much taller than the shortest pupil? Well, we know that Ahmed is 130 centimetres. So who is the shortest pupil we see on here? Well done, it's Hilary. So how much taller is Ahmed? So if we are finding the difference, we can do Ahmed's height, take away Hilary's height, which is showing us the difference, how much taller. So your answer should be 34 centimetres. And question 2, how many pupils are under 1¼ meters tall? Well, to know this, you need to know that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So half of that would be 50 centimetres. And if you remember from our starter, we said a quarter was half of a half, or 4 equal parts. So that makes a quarter 25 centimetres. So now we know we're looking for how many pupils are shorter than 125 centimetres. Well, it's not Ahmed, but it is Ella. It is Hilary. It's not Louise, but it is Tom. So how many is that? Well done, 3 pupils. Question 3. We're told that Jack is taller than Hilary, but shorter than Tom. How tall could Jack be? Well, Hilary is 96 centimetres, so he could be 97, but he's shorter than Tom, and Tom's 107 centimetres, so he could be 106, or anything in between. So 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, or 106. So 97 to 106. Well done. How did you do with these questions? You're doing really well. So now I'd like you to use the following tables to work out the answers to these questions. Question 1. This table shows the weight of 5 dogs to the nearest kilogram. What is the total weight of Buster and Titch? Henry is 10 kilogram heavier than Misty. Can you write Henry's weight in the table? Patch is heavier than Titch, but weighs less than Misty. Can you write the dogs' names in order of weight, starting with the lightest? And question 2. This table shows the number of children in each year at a primary school. The years along the top, year 1 through to 6, and the number of children are shown underneath, although our data for year 6 is missing. We are told that there are 175 children in the school in total. Using this information, can you work out how many children there are in year 6? And here we have a table showing the average summer temperature for different cities. We have London, Edinburgh, Paris, Madrid, Rome and Berlin. And the temperatures are shown underneath in degrees Celsius. Can you use this table to answer the following questions? What is the average summer temperature in Paris? Which city has the warmest average temperature during the summer? What is the difference in average temperature between Berlin and Edinburgh? And which two cities have a difference of just 1 degree in the average summer temperature? What is the total weight of Buster and Titch? Well, Buster is 12 kilograms and Titch is 14 kilograms. So if you add those together, you have the total weight. 26 kilograms. Well done. Don't forget to add the kilograms because weight could be measured in different ways. Grams, pounds, stones. So it's important we put the measurement on the end. We're then told that Henry is 10 kilograms heavier than Misty. So how heavy would that make Henry? Well, Misty is 26 kilograms, so Henry must be 36 kilograms. And Patch is heavier than Titch, but weighs less than Misty. Knowing that, can we put the dogs' names in order of weight, starting with the lightest? So we would have Buster is our lightest at 12 kilograms. Then Titch, who is 14 kilograms. Then Patch, because it tells us she's heavier than Titch, but less than Misty. Then Misty, because Misty is 26, and we know that Henry was heavier than Misty. So there's the order: Buster, Titch, Patch, Misty and Henry. Did you get them right? Excellent work. So for this table, we just need to work out the number of children in year 6. We're told how many there are altogether, and we know how many are in all the other classes. So we need to add together all the other classes first. So 28, add 31, add 29, add 25, add 32. Will give you the total amount of children in years 1 to 5. Well done. There's 145. Now, if we subtract that amount from the total amount of children altogether, 175, the difference will tell us how many are in year 6. So 5 take away 5, 7 take away 4, and 1 take away 1. Excellent. Year 6 has 30 children. How did you do with this one? Great work. And finally, Question 3. Won't it be lovely when we're able to visit some of these places again? I know I always look at the temperature when booking holidays. I like the sun. So, what is the average temperature in summer in Paris? We look at Paris and we can see it is 25 degrees Celsius. Which city has the warmest average? So which is the highest number? Excellent. It is Madrid. And C. What is the difference in average temperature between Berlin, 22, and Edinburgh, 15? So what's the difference between 22 and 15? Excellent. It is 7 degrees Celsius. And question 2. Which two cities have a difference of just 1 degree? Well, there's two possible answers here. You could have London and Berlin. We've got 21 and 22. So that could get you a mark. Or you could have Rome at 30 degrees and Madrid at 31. London, Berlin, or Rome and Madrid. How did you do with this? Great work. Now take a look back at today's target and success criteria and use the self-assessment tool to see how you've got on. Were you able to understand how tables can show different information? Could you read across the tables accurately? And were you able to answer the questions correctly by interpreting the data shown? And please don't forget to share your work with us at school. Remember, you can WhatsApp us, email us, or post it in our new school post box. Great work today. You should be really proud of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.